Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset your Instagram password if you've forgotten it. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. On the login page, tap on the account you need to reset the password for. Below the login fields, tap Forgot Password. You'll be asked to enter your username, email, or phone number. Type in your email or you can choose another method and then tap Continue. Then the Instagram will send you a password reset link via email or SMS. Then open your email inbox or message and look for the password to reset the email. Then tap on Reset Password. Enter your new password and make sure it's a strong and unique. Then tap Continue to confirm. And you're done. You will be now redirected back to the Instagram with a new password set. And that's how you can reset your Instagram password if you forget it. Let me know in the comments if this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.